Hello, thank you for watching Mr. A's Montessori channel. Today I'd like to show you how to use the knob cylinders. The first step is to bring the knob cylinder from the sensorial shelf to the table by carrying it with both hands, one hand on each end, with the thickest cylinder facing the left side. If the child has trouble carrying it on their own, help the child take the knob cylinder to the work area. Starting from the left side, show the child how to take out each cylinder one at a time using the thumb, index finger, and middle finger to place each cylinder randomly in a row on the table. When all the cylinders are taken out of the block, pick up each cylinder starting from the left and turn it sideways so the bottom can be seen to match to the correct hole in the block. Using the index finger, trace the bottom of the cylinder part and find the matching diameter hole and slowly place the cylinder in it without making any sound. When all the cylinders are placed in their hole, make sure they all fit without any space or sticking up by sliding a finger across the block from left to right to make sure. Then take out all the cylinders again and let the child repeat the activity. When the child is finished working with the activity, show them how to put the material back on the shelf. The purpose of this activity is to introduce the child about diameter and height by working with cylinder blocks that varies in either one of the dimension or one that varies in both those two dimensions. This concludes my video for today. Please subscribe for more Montessori material lesson and comment below and press the like button.